Welcome back to my channel. Again, I am here and let's start the abstract painting. In the first layer, actually, before this layer, where I am putting directly colors from the tubes. Um, Before 2 years, I was trying a watercolor painting. So the in the background, there are some colors: pink, lemon yellow, and a little blue also. But it doesn't affect this painting because this that layer was very thin. And now, without using water, I'm just mixing the white, vermilion hue, and Prussian blue and cobalt blue, and among them all, a little white, and in the center I wanted a glow like you see in the nature. uh, there are most shades in the blue actually, and instead of blue there is no shades in um, colors that much that in the blue color. So you see, there is a mixture of these colors, and I wanted a glow in the center with the greenish effect. So that I'm doing. Now I think I need to make it a little smooth and to complete the canvas, to cover it all the canvas, and I'm using this brush almost 2 inches wide, and this is flat brush, and this brush is also used in watercolor sometimes, but in this painting I'm using to mix for my desirable color effect with white, blue, and green. There is a two types of blue as I told you, but green is one, vermilion hue. Still I need a white color, so cadmium white that I'm using directly from the tube, and these all layers are wet. Still I'm doing work continuously. Before I finish this painting, I just wanted to tell you, you can comment which type of color combination you want to see on the canvas, and which type of theme or any particular theme uh, you want to paint, you want to see the painting video. So please, you can suggest me. um, I hope you may like this technique, so that way you can connect to each other, and I will reply also. Now this is the time for the final layer, and I'm using the Prussian blue and a little black. I'm making it darker with black, so mix with the water, and this final layer will be a little thin. And see, here is the previous layers are completely dried and ready to paint over it. I'm using a broad brush for the painting, and this brush is almost 4 inches wide. Now finally I am making textures in this abstract painting, and if you want to learn how to uh, texture, how to make textures on the canvas while you use acrylic and by scratching colors, so there is a condition. Okay, you can learn from this video how to make textures in this style, and you should post such videos to tag me, and so I can guide you, because I originated this style that is called crackturism before 3 years. And I wanted to tell you, if you want to make such textures, the last layer must be thin and wet, and before it may dry, just you have to complete the textures. You can use nails or any sharp objects to make such textures. And let's see, this is finally the painting is ready. So please like, comment, and share. here is the luxurious art is ready to hang in the luxurious spaces.